I mean, can you look at these colors? Are they just not gorgeous? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're doing this makeup look right here. A little bit of red and green. For this video, we are using the brand new Morphe X James Charles palette. So, without further ado, if you want to know how to get this gorgeous eye look, then sit tight, don't go anywhere, let's get started. So I kind of feel like wearing these earrings are making me look super extra glitz and glam, but you know what? I'm okay with that because I love me some glitter and glam and being extra. So, alright, so before we start, I need to moisturize my face, and I'm going in with the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. And then just to add in some vitamin C to my skin, I'm going to use the Vitamin C by Farm and Table. Alright, so next for my brows, I'm going to brush them out real quick using a spoolie. And then I have like two new brow products I want to try out. They're both by AOA, which is a Miss A website. And I have two of the same company, but one is in ebony and the other one is in dark brown. I wasn't quite sure which shade I would like, so I just got both. So let's try these out. I think for today's look, I am going to go with ebony. It's a slightly darker brown than the dark brown. At least that's what it looks like to me. So, just took off the wrapper. The product does have a little bit of waxiness to it. So, in a way, that's a good thing because it kind of like lays my brow hairs down and keeps it in place. Alright, next I'm going to quickly conceal my eyes using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And then using my Morphe sponge, going to just blend that all out. So on the screen somewhere, I will post like a picture up so you guys can follow along to see what colors I'm using, just in case you're not using the same palette. Otherwise, I'll just call out the names and you can follow along that way. So I'm picking up the shade Canvas, and I'm just going to place that all over my lid, just to serve as like a nice base and to set the concealer I placed on. Next, I'm picking up some Kwak James and using a tapered brush, going to place that starting from the outer corner and just swing that into the inner corner right where my brow socket is. So next, using that same tapered brush, I'm going to pick up some You're Kidding and again start from the outer corner with a very light hand and just kind of layer on top of Kwak James. But this time, I'm not really going all the way to the inner corner, but pretty close to it. So, if I'm not mistaken, I believe reds and greens are complementary colors from the color wheel, so, the opposites, all that good jazz. I think I'm going to go in with some greens, just because I do have reds on my eyes. So, I'm going to pick up this brush right here. We're going to dive into the shade Daddy, and starting from the lower lash line, the lower outer lash line, we're just gonna kind of create like a V shape, like a sideways V, and at the same time blending that in with the other colors. But just remember, guys, we're only doing like half of the outer eye. Alright, I do want to continue that like green trend towards the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm going to pick up the other green shade called Social Blade and fill in the inner part of the eyelid. So I actually changed brushes just because this one is smaller and I feel like I have more control with this one. Alright, so here's what my eyes are looking like so far. I feel like I want to add a little bit more something to it. I'm honestly not quite sure. I'm going to just go back in with the shade Canvas and kind of like clean up that upper brow area and make everything look more blended and seamless. Nothing is harsh. I feel like it's missing like, I don't know, some glitter, but trying to figure out where would be the best spot to put glitter on this look. I'm thinking maybe the center where the two greens are like meshed together. So I am going to dive in with some glitter. I'm picking up the shade Ring Light and just tapping that right on the center. Did that do anything? just a little bit. Alright, so instead I'm going to use my fingers and same shade Ring Light and just tap that right on the center of my lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner. I'm using the AOA Wonder Liquid Eyeliner. Alright, so I have my eyeliner on, and before I put on my lashes and mascara, you know what? I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal and just really add in a little bit of glitter to my look. The glitter, I feel like, made a big difference. Now I'm going to go in with my lashes and then do my mascara and come right back. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the YSL Radiant Awakening Foundation. And then I'm using my Morphe sponge to blend out the foundation, to conceal and brighten up my face using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Some under the eye, down my nose, some on my forehead. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so I'm going to set that all in place using the Too Faced Candy Johnson Banana Pudding Powder. Then to bronze up my face, I'm going in with the all-time favorite Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I believe they have like 2 shades to it now, and that is the shade that I'm using. This is in Deep Bronzer. And then for my cheeks, I'm using the Milani in Romantic Rose. I've been using this quite a lot lately. And to give myself a nice highlight, I'll be diving into the Wet n Wild Loose Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is, I guess the shade is called Mega Glow. I know not everyone likes putting highlight on the tip of their nose. And if you don't like it, then you know what? You don't have to do it. But I don't know. I just kind of like it. I like to glow everywhere. For my lips, I'm going to keep it simple and use the Dominique Cosmetics in Peach Tea. And finish it off by setting my face. Alright you guys, this is the final look. Let me just zoom you guys on in just so you can see what the look really looks like up close. So we are zoomed in and this is the look that I did. We're mainly focusing on the eyes because it's more of me unleashing my inner artist and using the Morphe X James Charles palette. A nice like red, green, and a dash of gold glitter. I did go in with the Urban Decay gold glitter, so there we have it. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed this process of doing this makeup look. You know what? This is my second time using this palette. The first time I did use it and I loved it. Second time using it today and I love it again. It's, I think, a great palette to get. If you don't have a palette that has all these beautiful colors in it, you know what? Go ahead and grab one. Honestly, the price for it is actually not that bad. And if you're not really the type of person to use these bright, vibrant colors, it does have a bunch of shades, as you guys can see, that is more like neutral tone. And it has shades that you can like play with. So it kind of has like the best of both worlds. And yeah, I mean, the palette is great. I will be doing a video just on this palette alone. No makeup look, telling you guys what I thought and how it wore and all that good stuff. Just my opinions on this palette. But overall, I do really like this palette a lot. I think the makeup wore very nicely. As of right now, I don't really have anything too bad to say about it. So that's it, guys. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click subscribe down below and join the Kwak fam if you haven't already. Tap on that notification bell. That way, when I upload, you'll be notified. And yeah, I am thinking of days when to upload. Possibly like 2 to 3 times a week. Tell me down below in the comment section when you guys are most likely to watch videos on YouTube. And you can also follow me on my social platform, Twitter, Instagram, all that good jazz. Links are down below. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night. Wherever you are, I'll talk to you next time. Bye!